This is an example of something that could be classified as strange. This is the 1230 bar on the 25th of the 4th, 2012. You can see here that the price was moving pretty much in a random direction, tending down actually. You can see here that the 200 EMA is actually on a downward slope. And then we come to 1230. 1230 is very significant. And this bar actually took 10 minutes to go down to the bottom and then another 10 minutes to go up. We can see that if we look at the 10-minute chart. And here it is. This is the start of the bar, which was at 1230. Then at 1240, it started to go up again. And we go back then to the 30-minute chart, and we can see that after that, it started to go up and never looked back. We can see it here, down for 10 minutes, up for 10 minutes, and then up, up and away. Did somebody know at 1230 what was going to happen with the Euro GBP, the Euro Great British Pound, on that day at the start of business in New York and Chicago? A good question.